Following the release of the final results of the provincial council polls yesterday, a group of United National Party activists gathered outside the Sirikota headquarters today.
Now, this group charged that they will engage in a fast on to death campaign if the leadership of the UNP that has led the party to constant defeat is not removed.
What has happened to the voter base of the UNP? Ranil Wickremesinghe has led the party into despicable defeats. That is why we came before Sirikota today as youngsters of the party. Ranil Wickremesinghe should step down from the leadership and leave the party. The working committee that is protecting him should also do so. They should hand over responsibilities to someone who is capable. The leaders of the UNP described this election as a turning point. Now it is a turning point to chase away Ranil Wickremesinghe. When we see the party's election results, we feel very sad. We came here in a small group to express our protest, but we will bring a wave of people in the near future. We clearly say that we will definitely chase Ranil Wickremesinghe away from the UNP leader's office. We are even ready to stage a fast on to death campaign in order to accomplish this. Please go home, else we are ready to fight. We are ready for a fast on to death campaign.
Our leaders should understand the voice of the people. We urge you to step down from the leadership and allow someone else to take up the mantle.
These activists also point out that none of the individuals appointed by Ranil Wickremesinghe to lead the election campaign were capable of helping the UNP secure victory in their own seats. Central Provincial Council candidate Shantini Kongahage, a working committee member and the chairman of the Eksat Lakwanita organisation, was defeated in the Kundasale electorate, which is the electorate of UNP General Secretary Thissa Attanayake. Group leader of the Kurunegala district, Akhila Viraj Karyawasam, was unable to secure a single seat for the UNP. Furthermore, issuing a release, the United Bhikkhu Front says that the leadership and the working committee should act by thinking that there is nothing to hide from the people about the party's defeat at the provincial council polls. The United Bhikkhu Front points out that the shame of defeat cannot be covered by holding media briefings and issuing media releases that are untrue and which deceive the people. The release adds that the party leader, General Secretary and all those in the working committee should take responsibility for this defeat. The media release bearing the signatures of 12 monks, including Venerable Girambe Anandathera, says that the committee will receive no forgiveness from the people. It notes that a leadership committee should be appointed by giving ear to public opinion, and based on the advice of the leadership committee, a new working committee must be appointed.